Welcome back, everyone. Today's video is a fairly simple and easy one. I have a windshield I'm going to install in this 23 CFMoto 800. It seems to be very good quality. It's quite thick and it's got like a really good coating on it. I put a piece of pipe insulation across the top. That's just to make up the gap right along here. Help with, air deflection and whatnot else. But let's put this in. It's a very simple job. You should have two people to lift it. I don't. But it's as simple as slide it up in underneath the roof. Center it in place. So, with these, let me bring the camera over here so you can see. These are very simple, just a nut and bolt style. This just clips around. There's a hole in the windshield. Slide it through both clips. Put the lock washer on. And sometimes you drop it. And you just want to repeat the procedure for all four corners there. All right. All the nuts and bolts are in place. I'm just going to make sure it's set in where it should be. And pop through and tighten. 1, 2, 3, 4. Told you it was an easy one. That's it. Windshield's done. Manual wiper works. Please like and subscribe for future videos. Take care. Until the next time.